Gardens connect us to our physical, mental and emotional health and well-being. We all know that we feel great in gardens, but it's scientifically proven now that gardening is good for our health. The first way it helps us is it gives us exercise, and actually it's low-impact exercise of our whole body. I know that because at the end of a full day in the garden, everything hurts. Gardens also give us a way to relax and manage our stress. And in this fast-paced, crazy world we live in, we need a way to manage our stress or we will end up with physical, mental and emotional health problems. And we know that just being in a garden, looking at the beautiful flowers, watching the bees, listening to the birds, feeling the wind blow through the trees, it all helps us to manage our stress and we feel better. And also, there are numerous health benefits that gardens give us, whether it's from getting exposed to that healthy microbe in the soil. It's called Mycobacterium vaccae. And when we ingest it by getting our hands into good soil, it actually triggers serotonin release in our brain. That's our own happy pill. And the great thing is when you have access to a garden, you can self-medicate and you can't overdose. But gardens help to lower our blood pressure and so many more things. There was even a study in the UK that suggested an RDA of gardening. That's a recommended daily allowance, and it was for 1.5 to 2 hours of gardening per day could significantly reduce significant chronic illnesses, such as heart issues, blood pressure issues, and more serious conditions such as cancer. So get out in your garden and know that your garden connects you to good health.